Hello everyone. Today we will do the recap of fractions. So let's start with the first topic, that is like fractions. Now, what are like fractions? Those fractions which have the same denominator are called like fractions. So the bottom number, this should be same. If it is same, then the fraction are called like fraction. For example, we have some fractions with us. And out of these fractions, we have to find which are the like fractions. Now we will check whose denominator are same, this, and this. So these three fractions are called as like fractions. Let's take one more example. We have some more fractions. And out of these fractions, we will again find which are the like fractions. So same what we have to do, we have to check whose denominators are same. Now 3 by 8 and 2 by 8 are called like fractions. Now tell me what are proper fraction. If the numerator of the fraction is smaller than the denominator, then the fraction is called proper. For example, 2 by 4. So this numerator should be less than the denominator. So this fraction is proper. Now, which one is improper fraction? If the numerator is more than the denominator, then the fraction is called improper. And what are mixed fraction? A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Now, let us discuss in detail. Suppose I have a pizza. I cut the pizza in 4 equal parts. And out of these 4 parts, I have eaten 2 parts. So this is the example of a proper fraction. Now 5 by 4. Is it same possible? I have one pizza. I divided the pizza in 4 equal parts. And out of 4 parts, I have eaten 5. So is this seems possible? No. That's why this fraction is said as improper. Now, what are mixed fractions? It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. What does it mean? I have eaten 2 complete pizza. 1 pizza, 2 pizza. These 2 pizzas I have eaten full. And I got one more pizza from the market. I divided the pizza into 4 equal parts. And out of these 4 parts, I have eaten this 1 part. So this is an example of a mixed fraction. Now we have one question with us. First, we will read the question properly. Classify the following as proper, improper, or mixed fraction. So, various fractions are given to us. What we have to do? We have to do sorting. We have to find out which one are proper, which one are improper, and which fraction are mixed fraction. Okay. So, let's take a small recap. What are proper fraction? Which have the small numerator and denominator is big. Improper, whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. And what are mixed fraction? A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is mixed fraction. So let us start. 1 by 7 is it is proper fraction. 3 by 8, proper fraction. 3 is to 2 by 7, mixed fraction. 4 by 3, improper fraction. 6 is to 4 by 5, mixed fraction. 1 by 9, proper. 6 by 2, improper. 1 is to 6 by 9, mixed fraction. 4 is to 8 by 9, mixed fraction. 7 by 5, improper fraction. So I think this is understood to everyone. Now next topic is what are equivalent fraction. Okay, now we have 2 children. One is Rahul, another is Sonia. They both have bought a chocolate from the market. Rahul said, I have eaten 5 parts of the chocolate. And Sonia said, I have eaten half chocolate. Okay, so we have to find, does they have eaten this equal amount of chocolate or they have eaten different amount of chocolate? So Rahul has eaten 5 parts out of 10. And Sonia has eaten half chocolate. So I think because of this picture, it is clear to everyone that both have eaten the same part. So we have two fractions, 5 by 10, 1 by 10. But what happened? See, in both the cases, numerators are different, denominators are different, but the value is same. Because here also Rahul and Sonia both have eaten equal amount of the chocolate, but without this chocolate, how we come to know that these are equivalent fraction? अगर यहाँ पे chocolate नहीं होगी तो हमें कैसे पता लगेगा? So the method is we will cross multiply these both fractions. Okay, so 5 multiply 2 and here comes 1 multiply by 10. 5 2s are 10, 1 10s are 10. If the product comes same of left hand side or right hand side, then the given fraction are said as equivalent. So this is the one method to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. Now some fractions are given to us. We will find whether these are equivalent or not. So again, which is the method we will follow? Cross multiplication of the fraction. So 2 6 are 12, 4 3s are 12. See, the product is same of left hand side and right hand side. So these fractions are said as equivalent. Now in next case, again we will cross multiply to check whether these are equivalent or not. Now 15 4s is 60 and 8 5s is 40. So are these equal? No, these are not equal. So these two fractions are not equivalent. So we will write not equivalent. Now in third case, again we will cross multiply. 12 4s is 48, 16 3s again 48. As you can see, the product are equal. So these fractions are called as equivalent. I think this is clear to everyone. Okay, now the next topic is ascending and descending order of the fraction. It is also very much easy. See, when the fractions have the same denominator, then you know that then these fractions are called like fraction. So, in like fraction, it is very much easy to arrange the fraction in ascending and descending. In ascending, how we go? We from small to big. So from the given fraction, we have to find out which one is smaller. 1 by 17. Now, if we leave this, let's cut this out of the remaining fraction, which one is the next smallest? 3 by 17. Now, again, cut this from here. Out of the remaining fraction, which one is smallest? 7 by 17. Cut this. Now, 8 by 17. Cut it. And now, 9 by 17. In ascending order, we go from small to big. And in descending order, what we will do? We will arrange the fractions from biggest to smallest. So we can simply start from here and end here. 9 by 17 is the biggest of the given fraction. Then 8 by 17. Then 7 by 17. Then 3 by 17. Then 1 by 17. So in case of like fraction, ascending order and descending order, both are very much easy. We just have to check the numerator to compare which one is the smallest fraction and which one is the biggest fraction. You can see some fraction are given to us and we have to solve the fraction. If the fraction are like fraction, it means if the denominator are same, then what we have to do? Simply, if the plus sign is given, we have to simply add the numerator. So 12 plus 3 is 15 and denominator will remain the same. We will not add the denominator. We just have to add the numerator. And in the second case, again, denominator are same. So denominator will remain same. We just have to add the numerator because plus sign is here. So the answer will be 12 by 9. In this case, again, like fractions are there, denominators are same. So denominator will remain the same. But in case we will add or subtract, in this case we will subtract because minus sign is given. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now in next example, again denominator are same, so it is like fraction. We will keep the denominator same, and here we will subtract the denominator because minus sign is given to us. So this is a small prep-up activity for you all. Write the fraction represented by shaded part of the given figures. Now in this activity, 3 figures are given and the shaded part is there. You have to write the fraction of all these 3 figures in the boxes, and at the last you have to put in the comment box, are the fractions equal, yes or no. This is all for today. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay happy. Bye bye.